Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video, I will show you how you can remove or reset your recent commits which are happen via GitHub. So this is a simple technique, but somehow people forget that they are working on the master branch and instead of creating a PR, they commit in the master branch. So to remove that commits out from that master branch, we have a simple trick to use it. Let's see. So currently I'm on master branch here, and if I do a git status, so there is nothing, everything is up to date. I will do one thing here. I will try to add new text file here, which is test2. Okay, so this test file is added into directly into my master directory. So if I again do the test git status, it's showing as one untracked file. Let me add it. So I forgot that I am in the master branch. I will just do a git add all. Right now, if I see the git status, it is showing that there is one change which is about to be committed, which is in the stage. So now what I will do is I will do a git commit with a message called revert commit, right? So I did. Now this changes went. Now if I do a git status again, so now it is ready to push into the master branch. There is one commit. Now I realize that I have pushed my changes into the master branch. I wanted to remove that. So how I can do this? So to remove it from the master branch, you can do simply git reset reset and hyphen hard with a head with a symbol and one. So this one refers to the recent commit which I did. So there might be a 2 to 3 commits. So whatever commit which I do recently, that commit will go away. If I wanted to do 2 commits, 3 commits, I can increase the number here. So I will simply execute this command now. You will see now head is now reset and there is no commits available, and it is went into the previously what I did. So previously merged commit, it is showing that PR commit. So if I again do a git status, it is saying everything is up to date, and you will see a text test file which is there on my folders. It is also gone. So it is also gone from here. So this is a simple technique how you can revert your recent commits within the master branch or within the PR. You can do it for both. Hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.